What is cybersecurity? Rabbit has carrot. Carrot is tasty. Carrot is life. But one night, raccoon steal carrot. Rabbit confused. Rabbit angry. Rabbit want justice. But first, rabbit need to understand how raccoon got carrot in first place. Rabbit uses computer. Rabbit stores carrots online. These are not real carrots, but photos, passwords, credit card numbers. Digital carrots. Raccoons love digital carrots. How raccoon get in? Easy. Rabbit use password like carrot123. This is not password. This is welcome sign. Smart rabbit use strong password. C at RR0T forever. Yes, hard to remember, but harder to steal. Good. Sometimes raccoons send email. Click here for free carrots. Rabbit clicks. Mistake. Big mistake. Raccoon now inside rabbit's burrow, downloading carrots. Rabbit learn rule. If email look weird, smell weird, act weird, it is weird. Do not click. Now rabbit install antivirus. Antivirus is big dog. Barks when raccoon shows up. Scares raccoon away. But dog must eat updates. No updates. Dog falls asleep. Raccoon walks in. Tragedy. Then rabbit use two-factor authentication. This is secret second key. Even if raccoon steals first key, raccoon still outside. Raccoon angry. Rabbit safe. Rabbit also avoid public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi is like leaving carrots on a park bench. Raccoon walking by. Free snacks. Use VPN. VPN is invisible cloak for carrots. Now rabbit feels safe. Carrots locked up. Raccoon confused. Rabbit happy. Cybersecurity not scary. Cybersecurity is just smart carrot protection. And if you want more brain snacks like this, subscribe.